Guys, Raghav, I'm at the airport, and honestly, just look around. The airport is the safest place in Mumbai, guys. There's no one here. I have these ads at the airport. Like this one says, Indian at heart, global in spirit. I said, no Indian is global in spirit. हम Canada जाके पराठा खाना चाहते हैं. Pure natural treasures. Why does this sound like a sex shop? A little bit, no? This is a natural treasure, guys. Guys, there's one full lane empty. You know what just happened to you was representative of the common man.
Yeah.
आगे से कोई आके कट लिया.
Yeah.
You saw a line and you were like line में खड़े हो.
That's how I got into engineering. Oh, there's a line.
Let's just go. Indian at heart, global in spirit. We should go to the Lenskart shop and ask them, भाई साहब Lenskart मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Lenskart का दुकान किधर है? मैम Lenskart का दुकान यही है. दिखाई नहीं दिया था. She didn't appreciate that at all. Yeah. Sir, William आया William. पर विलियम कहाँ है? Oh, अच्छा. He didn't get it. And the Mac store there. Should we go and ask if they have a MacBook Pro?
Yeah. Do we have a MacBook Pro here? Do we have a MacBook Pro?
MacBook Pro.
Yeah.
At
the Mac. I'm so sorry.
Raghav, you chickened out halfway through. So now you know what it takes to be a vlogger.
Oh my god, it takes 3 balls.
You want to go in front of this shop, yell, go ZTV and come back?
Yeah, sure. We won't get kicked out of the airport.
No, I don't think so.
Excuse me, go ZTV. Go ZTV.
What did he say?
He said what? I was like, I have just 1 ball, not 2.
I want to go ask Krishna Jewelers if they have an FIR.
You want to make a joke on me? Hey, go to the baby care. Sorry.
I love this restaurant. It's a restaurant called Wango.
Yeah.
They make the best food. And their mascot is A Raja. You know that? ऐसा लगता है हम दिल्ली courier हो गए ना. Like the way we are packed up. I can't hear Can you guys hear me? Hello? Guys, Bhavya just walked up to me and Bhavya was like, sir, big fan. So now I just asked Bhavya if he's subscribed and this is the test. YouTube kholo. If you're not subscribed, what will you do?
I will dance.
No, he's subscribed. He knows I like content. So, alright, you're subscribed. Okay, cool. Second channel? Cool. काम का चैनल नहीं किया ना नेटफ्लिक्स क्यों ढूंढ रहा है वो नहीं है मेरा सब सेकंड चैनल का नाम भी पता तुझे
No sir, I already.
भव्या तू नाच यार तू नाचना शुरू कर दे का कोई जिंगल Guys, I have never been in a car with a sunroof. Pratik, can you let me go get on the sunroof?
I'm gonna slow down, bro.
Yeah.
Don't drop the phone, okay? Don't fucking drop the phone.
Oh my god! Oh my god, this is what dogs feel when they put their head out of a window. Hello. You know, many people ask me, what's the best part about having a YouTube channel? And to me, the best part about having this channel कि अगर आपने इसको subscribe नहीं किया तो मैं आपसे कथक करवा सकता हूँ. So please, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, do it now before I make you do kathak. But you know what's better than having a well-run YouTube channel? It's the process of learning how to get your own well-run YouTube channel. Because YouTubing is a skill, marketing is a skill, and so is doing kathak. And you can learn all these skills and much more thanks to today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes by many creators. There's classes created by folks like Lily Singh, Daniel Scott, Roxanne Gay, about everything from creating videos on YouTube to how to learn indoor gardening. So go on, the world is your oyster. अपने existing passion को follow करो. Don't just sit at home and consume YouTubers showing you their daily lives as vlogs. Except for mine, like continue following mine. Like YouTube Skillshare, there are no ads, so you can enjoy them uninterrupted. For example, one of my favorite classes is by Videshi Tech Burner MKBHD. He has a Skillshare class on making YouTube videos with over 10 chapters. For less than 2,400 rupees a year, that's less than 200 a month. यानी कि दिन के आधे चाय के दाम पर you can access all these high quality classes on Skillshare. However, I am all Asia #1 conqueror online provider of course. That's why I have something special for Bot Army. The first 10,000 people to click on the link in the pinned comment will get an absolutely free trial of Skillshare for 1 whole month. So if you want to explore your curiosity just like moi, check out Skillshare. And now back to the video. Good morning. It's a rainy day in Bombay. Can you hear that? It's been raining like crazy. Here's a video that Raghav and Akash took of what they saw this morning.
ये पानी कहाँ से आया है? Fuck. Is it time for infinite pool? खोल दिया? नहीं. अरे नहीं खुल रहा है. रुक. हाँ वो चाहिए. ओए.
Balcony की गांड लग गई है. Look at that shit. It's the wire just flying. I'm scared of opening this up. Wow. Holy shit. Oh my god, Chad. No, 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 no. No, Chad, wait. Chad. Holy, getting excited. It's the winds. No, you can't go out. See, he wants to go out. Chad, I can't take you out. I can't take you out. It's too much water. He's just gonna fly off the balcony.
Yesterday he did. He almost did.
What?
Yeah, we were still sitting outside on the balcony. And every time he would stand up, he would just go like this. And then he would just go down. So I just had to hold him and sit in the evening.
He's so excited. What? 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 We can't go out. You will go off the balcony. Chad is trying to catch his own tail. Our dog is broken.
Severely.
Do you really want to go out of something that looks like that? Chad, sit. Sit. You're not going to run out, okay? You won't run out, okay? Okay. This is all the wind you can enjoy. Enjoy this wind. Enjoy. I won't let you out. ये इतना ही विंड एंजॉय करो तुम. इससे ज़्यादा विंड एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते तुम. You can't go out, baby. No. मस्का लगाने से नहीं चलेगा. मस्का लगाने से नहीं चलेगा. Alright, shit's getting very bad now. Fucking crows are struggling to fly. Guys, Rax just told me something crazy.
Naveed is coming back this Friday, 5 a.m. So I told Naveed, let's surprise Tanmay. And just sneak in karna and be like, hey, I'm here and all. But this is boring. No drama. So let's fool Naveed into thinking he's surprising you, but we'll be surprising him. We'll get all his friends here.
And we'll throw like a Friday morning breakfast party.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why did you choose to flip the plan?
Because it's Tuesday, Friday's coming closer, and I've started thinking harder about how the vlog will look. And it's just, hey Tanmay, I'm here, and you're like, not now.
No, I'll be excited to see Naveed. I think the correct answer is that surprising Naveed will make for better content.
Yes, because we fan Naveed so much. You think now they won't. Now that I've gotten COVID and coming back after 2 months.
Why are you laughing?
It's like Tanmay's vlog directed by Abbas Mustan.
He thinks he's gonna surprise me, huh? Well, guess who's gonna be surprised?
Just had a call with Naveed. He's coming back Friday 5:30 a.m. And this is how we are going to prank you.
then मेरे को क्या prank करे?
So I was thinking you just come and you sleep in your room, and then I just go up and I'm like, Naveed को पूछो कब आ रहा है or something, and then Naveed he'll give you a video call. He'll be like vlog के लिए कर रहा है, and then we reveal कि तुम through video call कि तुम घर पे ही हो, and then you just come up.
So I will not come out till he is up.
Yeah.
You should ask him to call me tomorrow, to do a video call tomorrow. And tomorrow from here I will tell कि मेरे को और time लगेगा.
August में I'm coming. It'll be like.
I will tell कि वहाँ पे बारिश हो रहा है, यहाँ पे मेरे को और time लगेगा.
Yeah.
And then day after I show up and I do something. It should be something like he needs to call me. So for him to call me, the internet should not work at home.
हाँ ठीक है, I'll do that.
And then like he should get frustrated and he should call me. First he should tell you and you like वो बंदा मेरा phone नहीं उठा रहा है. You wanna can you ask Naveed, शायद उसका phone उठाएगा. So then he asked me, then he'll call me.
Yeah.
Then I will record it.
Yeah, best. This is best.
This looks like a good prank. I just hope कि I don't get pranked by you guys because I don't trust any of you. You especially, motherfucker. Tomorrow, make sure he calls me. So then day after, the impact will be a little more.
Nice.
Huh? Chalo.
Sounds epic.
Yeah. So let's do this call tomorrow.
Okay. Guys, so I fell sick last night, so we couldn't do the Naveed surprise party. And I've woken up now, it's afternoon, and Naveed is doing so much manner, trying to act like he's gonna surprise me, but he doesn't know that I know. So now we don't know what to do because we don't have a surprise planned for Naveed.
I was putting in so much effort.
So we're just thinking we'll barge into his room and say hi. It's gonna be such a letdown. I can't believe. You think you can prank me? You think you can prank me? I know when I'm being pranked.
Oh, sure.
You can't do it.
Sure.
Welcome back. हम लोग कितना सोचा पता है? We thought we're gonna throw a surprise for you when you come.
So I knew this all along. Yesterday I tried so hard, you felt sick. Else,
I felt sick, yeah.
Else we would have pranked you.
No,
We would have
this
done
is what you don't know. This is what he does. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. I knew you were gonna prank me.
I asked him also, ki I know for sure I'm gonna get pranked because I don't trust him.
For good reason, Raghav.
Yeah.
You couldn't do one thing.
Because he was forcing me, ऐसा करना. नहीं करना मेरे को ऐसा.
No, we were supposed to throw a party in the morning. As soon as you came, everyone's supposed to come, but I'm feeling sick, so we don't want to call anyone.
I was trying so hard.
अब मेरे को फोन कर रहा है ओटीपी के लिए. वीडियो कॉल कौन करता है ओटीपी करने के लिए?
मेरे को ये पता ही था. कल से मैं राघव को बोल रखी हाँ पता है मेरे को.
He still doesn't know, no?
Yeah. All of the people from Mud and all your friends were supposed to come. There was supposed to be a cake and balloons.
केक भी नहीं आया, बलून भी नहीं आया, दोस्त भी नहीं आया, कोई नहीं आया.
All because you all fell sick.
All because I felt sick.
You guys were careless.
तुम बोल रहे एक तो खुद हॉस्पिटल जाके आया हमको बता रहा है क्या मेरा देखना. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed that, then please hit the like button, please. Also the first part of the vlog where you saw me going to Delhi was shot a long time ago. I was in Delhi to shoot a basics of stock trading tutorial, a course for absolutely free. It's out on my second channel. Link is in the description. Do check it out. And for many of you wondering why I'm dressed up like I've been to a wedding on my terrace, well, it will be revealed in vlog 69. See you next time. Bye.